Welcome to our channel. If you need to perform a factory reset on a used Roku device to remove previous owner information and restore it to original settings, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Ensure your Roku device is powered on and connected to a TV so you can see the on-screen menus and follow the reset process. Step 2. From the Roku home screen, press the home button on your remote to ensure you're at the main menu. Step 3. Navigate to settings using the directional buttons on your remote. Scroll down and select the settings option from the menu. Step 4. In the settings menu, scroll down and select System. This section contains system-level options and maintenance features. Step 5. Within the System menu, select Advanced System Settings to access more detailed configuration options. Step 6. Select Factory Reset from the available options. You'll see several reset-related options. Choose Factory Reset Everything. Step 7. Read the warning message carefully. The reset will erase all data, including accounts, preferences, and installed channels. Select Continue if you want to proceed. Step 8. Your Roku will display a reset code on the screen. Use your remote to enter this code to confirm the factory reset. This prevents accidental resets. Step 9. Once you enter the correct code, select OK to begin the factory reset process. Your Roku device will restart and erase all settings and data. Step 10. After the reset completes, your Roku will restart and display the welcome screen as if it's brand new. You'll need to go through the initial setup process to configure language, network, and account settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.